In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily hide your likes on Twitter or X application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, you need to open up X app. Once it is done, just stop right here at your profile picture. And now if we go to our X profile here, we can find this livestock. If we head over to the top, that's where we can easily find all that Twitter boss we have liked for all the time. Here I got just a couple of boss. However, you'll find here all the boss you have like. And that information is actually public. So now anyone can head over to the top and see what we liked. If you would like to hide that information from strangers, then I recommend you to tap at your profile picture. Then tap at Settings and Support to expand it. After that, go to Settings and Privacy here. Then tap Add Privacy and Safety. And after that, tap Add Audios and Tagging. And that's where you can easily find the option Protect Your Boss. It will only show your boss to people who followed you, if selected, and also if you activate it. It will hide your liked boss from anyone except your followers. That's how you can easily hide your likes on application. And if this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button